there were a lot of things which were taken in the past, some decisions which were taken in the past, those which were approved in the thing, in this meeting. Now the major thing would be about that Chandrakant Keni Square, it is that day we cancelled the program, which was supposed to be on 3rd of February, because people felt from that area ki तो चंद्रकांत केनी स्क्वेअर जो पळय आसा तो जो प्रपोज केल्लो तो पांडवा कपेल हें आमी कितली म्हणजे म्हजे ल्हानपणांतल्यान सुद्दां आमी पांडवा कपेला कडेनच म्हणटाले, कळ्ळें न्ही. सो लेट अस नॉट चेंज द नेम, कळ्ळें अशें म्हणून. आनी नोबडी वॉज ऑफ द ओपिनियन की बाबा चंद्रकांत केनीची कंट्रिब्युशन इवन वी नो, पूण हें नांव तुमी दुसरे कडेन खंय प्रपोज करात, हांगा दिवचें न्ही अशी म्हणून तांची एक मागणी आशिल्ली. एंड सो वी कॅन्सल दॅट. आतां आमी तांकां लास्ट वीक दोनी समितीचे दोनी मेंबर्सांक आपयिल्ले, जे आमकां राजीव गोम्स बी जे पळय आयिल्ले रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्स घेवन, आनीक राजू नायक, दत्त नायक तेय बी आयिल्ले. अनफॉर्च्युनेटली दे कूड नॉट come because they were not available, so we will keep it on some other day and we will settle the issue amicably. As far as this meeting was concerned, the agenda was main म्हणजे आमचे एक बजेट मीटिंग, बजेट प्रपोज करपाचो एजेंडा आशिल्लो. Now budget is like just a surplus budget of about 7 crores of rupees, which is a very realistic budget. But unfortunately, 7 or 8 crores. न्ही तातूंत मरे मातशे थोडीश्यो चेंजीस करपाक जाय, बिकॉज आय कांट ब्लेम द टॅक्सेशन अकाउंट सेक्शन ऑल्सो, कित्याक खुबशे एलएक्यूज आशिल्ले, दे वर लॉट ऑफ वर्क. सो ताणें सगळे कावन्सिलर्सांक मातशें लेट दिले बजेटाची कॉपी. सो दे फेल्ट, द कावन्सिलर्स फील दॅट दे नीड मोर टायम टू जस्ट गो थ्रू द बजेट. सो देर विल बी अ meeting shortly within 7 days, to confirm the budget. But the highlights of the budget was that we are, for the first time, we are keeping a disaster management fund of about 15 lakhs of rupees. We are keeping, we need to repair this building, so about 50 lakhs we are keeping for the repair of the building, and maintenance of the furniture, anything, is 20 lakhs. And the grant in aid we have hiked up to 5 crores. So these were basically the highlights. And thodi khubshe redundant items ashile. Every time they would just copy paste and those items were getting carried forward, like doc tax and cinema tax and all, which is not existing anymore. So all those heads we have knocked out. So it's a very simple budget, and which is like a working budget, and what is the requirement of the municipality. Shigmo floatache Margaon Shigmotsav committee shall be, MMC will ask the Madgaon Shigmotsav committee to hold Shigmo. दोन शिगमे जाताले, दोन शिगमो कमिटीज आशिल्ली. फर्स्ट टायम आर ऑनरेबल TCP मिनिस्टर Mr. Sardesai, he intervened आणि दोगांय कमिटीक आपोवन with an understanding that एकच करूया आमी, and we'll make a committee of the common people, and ते तांच्या अंडरस्टँडिंगान मडगांव शिगमोत्सव कमिटी shall do the शिगमो. आणि यतीन फळदेसायचें तांणी नांव प्रपोज केला एज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द शिगमो. सो एकच शिगमो जातलो, and that Shigmo parade also will be on the same carnival route, which was through the opinion polls square. The next, another thing that was of importance was door to door garbage collection. आजो जो पळय एक टेंडर आशिल्लो, आनी जे सिंगल टेंडर जाल्ले म्हणून we have decided to send it to the SE. And तो 150 days as a time period had lapsed. So we are sending the proposal to the chairman of the High Power Committee, who is headed by the chief, which is headed by the chief minister, and for the extension of this period.